Level 1 The Curious Child. You watch the tranquil waters of Lake Herman, its surface still and dark, a quiet fascination with systems, with codes, with hidden messages growing inside. Numbers and symbols feel like puzzles, waiting to be perfectly arranged and solved. Your early years are hazy, a blur of foster homes and distant, uncaring faces, a constant need for control, for order. In a chaotic and unpredictable world, the military provides structure, teaching you discipline and precise methodical thinking. You learn to disassemble, to reassemble, the cold metal of firearms in your hands. Each component fits perfectly, a satisfying click, a testament to pure engineering. Cryptographic manuals become textbooks, their complex rules slowly yielding their secrets. You excel at it, creating your own ciphers, unbreakable, intricate, deeply personal. The world outside seems simple, predictable, its patterns easy for you to observe. A strange detachment grows, observing people like ants, moving without true purpose. A desire for recognition, for intellectual superiority, burns silently within your core, to show them, to prove your cunning, your unmatched intelligence, to all of them. The game is beginning now, and you alone know every single hidden rule. Level 2 The Isolated Teenager. The quiet darkness of Lake Herman Road, December 1968, feels crisp and cold. You spot a parked car, a young couple inside, their muffled laughter barely audible. The cold metallic weight of your gun feels heavy, a familiar reassuring presence now. You approach from behind, your footsteps silent on the damp gravel of the shoulder. The first shot shatters the window glass, a sudden violent burst in the still night. You fire again, watching the car's interior light up with each bright muzzle flash. The girl screams, a high-pitched sound cutting through the thick cold night air. The smell of gunpowder, sharp and acrid, fills your nostrils, a new sensory input. You walk closer, observing the scene, confirming your precise methodical work quietly. The silence returns, heavy and complete, broken only by distant, fading sirens. You leave quickly, blending into the surrounding darkness, undetected and unseen. The adrenaline pulses, a cold, clear rush through your veins, sharpening your focus. Police discover the bodies, 2 teenagers, found dead inside their parked car. A vague description emerges, but no real leads, just confused, terrified witnesses. The game is set, the first move made, and no one knows who they are hunting. Level 3 The Student of Death. July 1969, the heat hangs heavy over Blue Rock Springs Park, damp and thick. Another parked car, another young couple, their quiet conversation barely heard. You watch them for a while, studying their movements, their predictable easy patterns. Your new handgun feels lighter, more efficient, a compact extension of your will. The flashlight beam cuts through the darkness, momentarily blinding both of them. A rapid succession of shots, echoing loud in the confined space of the car interior. The girl cries out, her voice quickly dissolving into a gurgling, wet silence. You walk to a nearby payphone. The cold plastic receiver feels rough in your hand, dialing the police, calmly reporting the crime, providing exact location details. Your voice is flat, unemotional, detached, a mere reporter of gruesome facts. Then you hang up, the heavy click of the receiver ending your brief direct communication. The thrill is different now, not just the act, but the communication, the control. Police find the bodies, confirming your report, puzzled by the strange anonymous call. A deeper game is forming, one where you dictate the rules and control the narrative. The newspapers will soon receive your words, a carefully crafted message for them. Level 4 The Stalker. 3 identical letters arrive at 3 different Bay Area newspapers in August. Each letter details the crimes, providing facts only you could possibly know. You demand publication, threatening more murders if your precise instructions are ignored. Attached is a cipher, a complex grid of symbols, promising to reveal your true identity. The newspapers publish, succumbing to your demands, their fear palpable and clear. The public scrambles, amateur cryptographers attempting to break your intricate code. Weeks pass, then a small breakthrough. The 408-symbol cipher finally yields its meaning. The decoded message speaks of collecting slaves for the afterlife, a chilling motive now, but your name remains hidden, encrypted in a second, more complex, unsolved cipher. You send another letter, mocking the police, relishing their futile efforts. They are hunting a phantom, a ghost of numbers and symbols, a true intellectual. A reputation grows, the Zodiac, a menacing presence stalking the California nights. The power is intoxicating, the fear you inspire a palpable heavy reward for you. The newspapers are your platform, the public your captive audience, watching your every move. The game is more than killing now, It is a masterclass in psychological manipulation. Level 5 The Novice Killer. September 1969, Lake Berryessa, a popular spot for quiet, unsuspecting couples. You wear a black executioner's hood, a costume crafted from dark canvas material, the white crosshair symbol, your personal mark, emblazoned on your chest proudly. Your gun is still concealed, a backup plan. Preferring a more intimate brutal method now, you approach a young couple picnicking, disrupting their peaceful, sun-drenched afternoon. The pistol is drawn, forcing them to comply, binding their wrists with thin plastic cord. The knife feels heavy, cold, its sharp edge a direct extension of your firm will. You stab them repeatedly, feeling the blade sink into soft flesh, a dull resistance. Blood spreads, a dark muted stain 8B0000 on the rough picnic blanket fabric. The silence returns, broken only by their shallow gasps, then nothing at all. You carve your crosshair symbol into the car door, marking your precise territory. Another call to the police, reporting your own crime with a calm, flat tone. The officers arrive, finding a scene of pure terror, a message left for them, the costume, the symbol, the calls, each element meticulously designed to terrify. The power of theater, of spectacle, a new dimension added to your growing game. Level 6 The Predator. October 1969, San Francisco, a new hunting ground, busy and unsuspecting. You pick up a lone taxi driver, cruising the dark, rain-slicked city streets. The leather of the seat feels cold, damp, against your back in the cab. He drives you to Presidio Heights, a secluded, tree-lined, wealthy neighborhood. You raise the pistol, its dark barrel pressing against the back of his head. The loud report deafens you, filling the small cab with burning gunpowder smell, blood splatters, a dark muted stain. 8B0000 against the rough seat fabric. You grab his wallet, finding a small amount of cash, less than expected, quickly wiping down surfaces, leaving no fingerprints. A clean, efficient escape. Another call to the police, from a payphone just blocks from the crime scene. Your voice is calm, precise, reporting the details. Enjoying their frantic scramble, police flood the area, missing you by mere minutes, their frustration palpable. A witness spots you, but only a blurry figure in the rain. Quickly disappearing, the media frenzy intensifies, every move scrutinized, every letter analyzed. You are everywhere and nowhere, a true phantom, haunting their every waking thought. Level 7 The Collector. You continue sending letters to the newspapers, each one more taunting, more cryptic. A fragment of shirt, stained with blood, accompanies one letter, a grim trophy. You claim more victims, fantasizing additional attacks, blurring fact and pure fiction. Police doubt your claims, unable to confirm all the alleged new murders. The letters include new ciphers, elaborate and complex, challenging their intelligence. You send a specific diagram for a bomb, threatening to blow up a school bus. The city panics, children walking to school looking nervously over their shoulders. Bomb threats become daily occurrences, a climate of constant fear in the city. You relish the chaos, the widespread terror, proof of your ultimate profound influence, collecting newspaper articles about yourself, stacking them neatly in your private space. Each headline is a trophy, a testament to your unseen, undeniable power. You live among them, unnoticed, a quiet man, observing their terrified reactions closely. The police have no real leads, no fingerprints, no solid physical evidence at all. Your identity remains protected, secured by layers of complex, unsolved cryptographic puzzles. The game is endless, your secret safe, and the hunt will continue forever. Level 8 The Media Phantom. March 1970, another letter arrives, threatening to blow up a school bus. You include a diagram, showing how to construct a bomb, a precise technical drawing. Children are terrified, parents keep them home, disrupting normal daily life. Police and FBI agents work tirelessly, trying to decipher your intricate codes. A local newspaper editor receives a card, signed with your chilling crosshair symbol. You demand public acknowledgement, more attention for your intellectual games always. The media debates your true intentions, publishing profiles of a hidden, cunning mind. You call a television talk show, speaking live on air for 30 tense minutes. Your voice is disguised, a calm, measured tone, yet full of veiled threats. You are everywhere, your words echoing through homes, your presence felt by all. Police chase false leads, interviewing countless suspects, hitting dead ends constantly. Your phantom existence grows stronger, more myth than man, always just out of reach. The thrill of the chase, the intellectual duel, it fuels your cunning mind daily, to be known, yet unknown, a paradox. the ultimate expression of complete control. You are the conductor of this dark symphony, orchestrating their every desperate move. Level 9, the cross-country killer. The letters become less frequent, then finally they stop arriving altogether. By 1974, police and journalists wonder if you are dead, or simply moved to a new hunting ground. The cold case grows colder, official files thickening with decades of futile investigation. Amateur sleuths dedicate their lives, obsessive searching for your true hidden identity. New theories emerge, linking you to other unsolved cases across the vast country. The unsolved ciphers sit in dusty FBI vaults, silent, still, waiting for a solution. Your original victims' families live with endless questions, no closure, just raw pain. Decades pass, technology advances, DNA evidence now a powerful new investigative tool, but you left no biological trace, no fingerprints, no hair, no saliva for them, a ghost, precisely operating, leaving no real physical evidence at the crime scenes. The cold metallic click of the rifle, the pistol's heavy recoil, still resonate within. The feeling of control, the intellectual dominance, a constant internal reward for you, to exist beyond capture, beyond consequence, a master of your own grim fate. A legend grows, an urban myth, the Zodiac, the untouchable, the truly anonymous. You won the game, leaving them all forever trapped in your intricate web. Level 10, the untouchable. You live a quiet life, aging, blending perfectly into the suburban landscape now, a nondescript house, a steady job, polite small talk with unsuspecting neighbors, your mind still sharp, analytical, observing the changing world with cold detachment. The newspapers no longer carry your letters, the fear of you has slowly faded. Sometimes you see old news reports, grainy images of your original crime scenes. They analyze your ciphers, speculate about motives, always missing the key elements. A quiet satisfaction hums, knowing they will never truly understand your brilliance. The costume in a dusty box, the crosshairs symbol, remnants of a past glory now, the rush of adrenaline, the cold metallic weight of the gun, still vivid memories. You consider sending one last letter, a final taunt, just to remind them all, but the risk is too high. The silence itself a powerful, enduring statement, to die unknown, uncaptured, leaving behind an unsolved mystery, a perfect legacy. Your final breath is quiet, unnoticed, just another old man passing away peacefully. The true identity of the Zodiac Killer remains forever hidden, a triumph of cunning. The game is truly over, and you, the architect of chaos, claim the ultimate victory.